Colin Goes Hiking by Emily Weinberger. Illustrated by Todd Gardner. Colin goes for a hike. He hikes for exercise. His body helps him on his hike. Colin has hands. His hands help him do things. Colin uses his hands to do things on his hike. He can put on his jacket with his hands. Colin has eyes. His eyes help him see. Colin uses his eyes to see things on his hike. He can see trees with his eyes. Colin has a nose. His nose helps him smell. Colin uses his nose to breathe air. He can smell a flower with his nose. Colin has a mouth. His mouth helps him eat and drink. Colin uses his mouth to get energy to live. He can eat a snack and drink water with his mouth. Colin has ears. His ears help him hear. Colin uses his ears to hear animals. He can hear birds with his ears. Colin's body helps him exercise. His body helps him on his hike. The end.